How to buy Rust skins on Steam. Let's get started. Launch your Steam app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to this kind of interface. Now, at the top right, you will find this search box. Over there, type in Rust, where that game will appear. Go ahead and click on the game. Now over here, you're gonna find all the details about the game. You can just scroll down and check out. In order to buy this game, you have to click on this option of Add to Cart. Over here, you will be able to see the price of the game. If you are satisfied with the price of the game, you can click on the option of Add to Cart and continue with the process to buy this game. Now you will get two options, purchase for myself or purchase as a gift. Select the option that is suitable for you. I have selected purchase for myself. With that, you will land to the payment page. Now you have to fill this, provide all the details, your personal information, likewise billing information, and then select the payment method and complete the payment process. After you provide all the information and complete the payment, you will get the game. Then you are able to install the game and play. Well, this is how you can easily buy Rust skins on Steam. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.